The Hoover Clean Slate Plus Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner, model FH14405 in white, is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle tough stains and messes, especially in areas like car interiors, upholstery, and carpets. With its robust suction power, this machine is particularly effective at removing pet stains, dirt, and spills, making it an essential tool for both pet owners and car enthusiasts. The Clean Slate Plus comes equipped with a variety of tools, including a 7-inch wide path tool and a tight spot tool, which allow you to clean both large surfaces and hard-to-reach areas with precision and ease. For those in search of the best car carpet cleaner machine, the Hoover Clean Slate Plus is an excellent choice. Its combination of powerful suction and versatile attachments ensures that it can handle a wide range of cleaning tasks, from deep cleaning car seats to refreshing home carpets. Customers often highlight the machine's ability to efficiently remove stains and odors, leaving surfaces fresh and clean. To ensure the best results and prolong the life of the cleaner, users should follow the manufacturer's instructions for operation and maintenance. Regularly emptying the dirty water tank and cleaning the machine's tools will help maintain its performance. The Dirt Devil Portable Spot Compact Carpet Cleaner, model FD13000 in black, is an efficient and user-friendly solution for tackling tough stains on carpets and upholstery. This compact machine is designed to deliver powerful suction, making it highly effective at lifting dirt, pet stains, and spills from deep within carpet fibers. Its lightweight design and portability allow for easy maneuverability, making it ideal for cleaning not only household carpets and furniture, but also car interiors. Equipped with versatile tools, including a targeted spray and scrub brush, the Dirt Devil Spot Cleaner ensures that even the most stubborn spots and stains are thoroughly cleaned. For those seeking the best car carpet cleaner machine, the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner stands out due to its balance of power and convenience. Customers often praise its ability to quickly and effectively remove stains, particularly in tight spaces like car floors and upholstery. The machine's ease of use is another highlight, with simple controls and easy-to-clean components that make the cleaning process straightforward. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's recommended that users follow the manufacturer's guidelines for proper use, such as using the correct cleaning solution and regularly emptying and rinsing the dirty water tank. Proper maintenance, including cleaning the brushes and nozzles after use, will help maintain the machine's performance and extend its lifespan, making it a reliable choice for keeping your car and home. The Eureka Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, model NA101GR in green, is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution designed to handle a wide range of stains and messes. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents on your carpet, spills on your upholstery, or grime in your car, this spot cleaner is equipped to tackle the job. The machine features a generous 50.70 Z water tank, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without the need for frequent refills. Its robust suction and targeted cleaning formula make it effective at lifting and removing even the most stubborn stains, ensuring your surfaces are left fresh and spotless. For those in search of the best car carpet cleaner machine, the Eureka Portable Cleaner is a strong contender. Its portability and ease of use make it particularly suited for car detailing, allowing users to effortlessly clean floor mats, seats, and other hard-to-reach areas. The inclusion of a specialized cleaning formula further enhances its effectiveness, making it a reliable choice for maintaining the cleanliness of both your home and vehicle. To achieve the best results and ensure long-term satisfaction, customers should follow the manufacturer's guidelines for operation, including using the recommended cleaning solutions and regularly cleaning the machine's components. Proper maintenance, such as emptying the water tank and cleaning the nozzles after each use, will help maintain the machine's performance and ensure it remains a dependable tool. The Kenmore KW2001 Spotlight Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner and Pet Stain Remover in gray is an impressive solution for tackling stubborn stains and messes in a variety of settings. Designed with powerful 17 kPa suction, this portable cleaner excels at removing deep-seated dirt, pet stains, and spills from carpets, upholstery, couches, and even car interiors. Its versatility is enhanced by the range of tools included, allowing you to easily switch between different surfaces and cleaning needs. Whether you're freshening up your living room or detailing your car, the Kenmore Spotlight delivers reliable and thorough cleaning performance. For those searching for the best car carpet cleaner machine, the Kenmore KW2001 stands out as a top choice due to its combination of power and convenience. Customers frequently highlight its effectiveness in lifting even the most challenging stains, making it particularly useful for pet owners and car enthusiasts who need to maintain pristine surfaces. The compact design and user-friendly operation make it easy to maneuver and use in tight spaces, such as between car seats or on stairs. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for optimal use. Regular maintenance, such as emptying the dirty water tank and cleaning the tools after each use, will help prolong the machine's lifespan and keep it performing at its best, ensuring you have a reliable cleaning partner. The Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Model 3618 in black and copper harbor, is an exceptional tool for anyone seeking a powerful and convenient cleaning solution for both home and auto detailing. This compact yet robust machine combines the effectiveness of steam cleaning with the portability needed for tackling tough stains in hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're dealing with stubborn dirt in your car's carpet or refreshing your home upholstery, the Little Green Hydro Steam delivers a deep clean that leaves surfaces looking like new. The steam function not only cleans but also sanitizes, making it ideal for households with pets or small children. For those searching for the best car carpet cleaner machine, the Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam stands out due to its versatility and ease of use. The lightweight design and long power cord allow for easy maneuverability, while the various attachments make it adaptable to different cleaning tasks. Customers consistently praise its ability to remove deep-seated stains and odors, enhancing the overall cleanliness and appearance of their vehicles and homes. To maximize satisfaction, users should ensure that they follow the manufacturer's guidelines for proper use and maintenance, ensuring the longevity and